Hi Six King, welcome to this week's fun science experiment with Mrs. Dutton and Vinny. So this week we are going to be looking at the importance of washing our hands and actually what's the best thing to wash our hands with. So the first thing you're going to need is a loaf of bread. Now ideally an unopened loaf, however if it is open, don't worry, that's fine. You only need 4 slices unless you want to challenge or extend the experiment further by trying out different surfaces to put your bread on. The second thing you need is some soap and water. I've got the a pump soap. You need some hand sanitizer. There we go. Some tongs or something that allows you to pick up the bread without touching it, and some Ziploc bags. You need a Ziploc bag for each slice of bread. Now, to start the experiment, we are going to get a slice of bread out of our loaf and place it into a Ziploc bag. Once you've placed it in, use your tongs to place it in. Once you've placed it in, that's going to be your first slice. That will be here we have one that we prepared earlier, your untouched slice of bread. And we're going to put that to the side. The second thing you're going to do is somebody is going to wash their hands using the hand sanitizer. So Vinny is going to hand sanitize himself. There we go. So he's going to sanitize his hands. Then with his hands, he will take out a loaf of bread from the loaf and rub his hands all over that bread as much as he can without ruining the slice. And again, using the tongs, or he can put that in himself, you're going to place that into a Ziploc bag and label it hand sanitized slice rather. And we put that to the side. The next thing you're going to do is another person is going to wash their hands with soap and water. I've already done that. Here's my slice of bread. So using the soap and water, make sure you wash your hands properly. I put my hands all over the bread, both sides, making sure not to change the shape of it. I just want to get any bacteria that might be on my hands on that piece of bread. And then I put that Ziploc bag to the side. Now, the last one that I did is I got a slice of bread and I rubbed it all over my keyboard using the tongs, which I'm hoping is nice and clean, but we shall see when we see the outcome. Now, if you want to extend this further, you might want to look at different surfaces in your house, maybe even your phone or your iPad. You might want to put it on the remote control, just trying different things in your house to look at the bacteria that's on those.
And make sure to leave it for a week.
Yes, good. Thanks, Vinny. That was my next point. Once you've got all of your slices of bread in your airtight bags, put them to the side. Make sure they are labelled, which slice of bread has touched which surface, and then put them to the side. And we will check back in a week later to see the outcome. Good luck, guys. Bye.